Wondering where your Singer Elite ME457 manual is? Let me give you a quick little hint. First off, what comes with this machine will be a basic information of how to get things threaded, how to put the bobbin in correctly, and how to get started. And I love what they put with this little sheet. And by the way, the link to your manual is in the description below. But here's what they say. One stitch won't make a garment, but with many stitches, something beautiful can be made. Thanks for helping us make a small stitch in an effort to reduce the amount of paper we consume. If you count up how many machines Singer makes and how many manuals just get thrown away, trust me, take a minute to just click on the link, and if you like to print off a whole manual, print it off. If you only want to print off a few pages, like all the stitch applications or which feet came with it, or print the items that you need when you need it, it's much more economical and save that paper. So I totally understand why Singer doesn't put manuals in the machine, but just note that every video that we do on this machine, you're going to find the link below. Now we're about ready to get started into all the tutorials. We're showing you how to thread it, how to use that wonderful needle threader that's on the machine, and all the stitches that are preloaded right here to get you started. So check out the link at the end of this video to the playlist so you can get started mastering your machine today.